Hi everyone, my name's Ira Wolf, and I'm so excited to be coming back to HR Southwest this year. HR Southwest has become one of my favorite conferences, and I'm thrilled to have been selected this year to lead one of the pre-conference sessions. Of course, I'll be talking about one of my favorite subjects, recruiting in the age of Googleization. Feedback from last year's session included it should have been longer, and it was the best session of the conference, and I appreciate all that kind feedback. But most importantly, the committee listened to you and asked me to lead a full day presentation on recruiting in the age of Googleization. So here I am. I imagine many of you might be asking, do I really want to spend a Sunday in October with this guy? Will I learn anything new? So here's a heads up of what I'm planning. The focus for the session will be how to create a spectacular candidate experience. You probably all already know the reasons why this is so important, so I'm not going to go into them now. But from anyone who attended my session last year or possibly at another conference, you already know that I just don't talk theory. You will leave this session with full toolkit of tips and ideas and new skills that you can apply immediately. Whenever possible, we will engage in some hands-on experience, all within the goal of helping you recruit faster, hire smarter. We'll talk about how you can get more visibility for your job openings, build better engagement, attract more talent, and convert more job shoppers to qualified applicants. And that's not all. We will spend part of the time reworking and optimizing your job listings to attract today's modern worker, as well as reconstructing your job application for a mobile-ready environment. You might be curious about social media too and have some questions. I'll be talking about that. And what about video? Yep, that's included too. Video is one of the fastest growing trends in digital marketing, and therefore it must be used in talent acquisition. I'll be showing you how to use video to engage more job seekers more quickly, more frequently, and as time permits, we might even record a few videos. We might also talk a little bit about podcasting, one of the fastest trends in digital marketing. If you're ready to learn how to compete for top talent in this digital age, or as I call it, the age of Googleization, this session is a must for you. I hope to see you on Sunday, October 27th, and if you can't make it, be sure to stop by at one of my breakout sessions on Monday. And by the way, if you sign up and there's something very specifically you want me to cover, just let me know ahead of time. Connect with me on LinkedIn, send me a message, you can email me, go to my website, or you can call my office at 800-803-4303. I hope to see you all soon.